Fucking Google, eat shit. Pardon me. Alright, there we go. See, when I'm not paying attention and just sort of feeling it, because I was looking at the TV, that's when I get it. It's weird. I don't know. Try that again. When I was focusing on it, I couldn't get the damn thing out. But when I was just absent-mindedly poking around, you know, like a retard at a brothel, just get it open, pop, weird, it's simple. I don't know. That's really odd. Just called me Mr. Autism he locks. He has no idea what he was doing, but he just he's not thinking. Yeah, bullshit. Yeah, again. Okay, let's try this thing one more time. I'm going to try it the appropriate way it's supposed to go. I've seen people do this. Doesn't seem to do shit. I understand how it's supposed to set the pins. Move it over. Forgot. Supposed to be doing it this way. Okay, I got it open using the appropriate direction, apparently. Got it. There it is. I found this thing on a keychain years ago, and it had a bizarre liquid in it. I was like, fuck that. I don't know what that is, so I got rid of it. You know, I should have figured that since it was on a keychain, it was probably key oil or something, right? But anything that's liquid or powder or whatever that's in a container and you haven't put it in there and you have no idea what it is, it's a good idea to just get rid of it. And I was not about to smell it or taste it and fuck off with that crap. Alright, that was nice.